God will put this in front of you when He knows that you need to hear it. So this message found you for a reason, and not because something is wrong, but because something is shifting. You are being cracked open. And there are moments where God lets a message find you at the exact right time, not to scare you or pressure you, but to remind you that you are being guided. You are stepping into a season where things are going to start making a lot more sense. The prayers that you thought were delayed, the dreams that you thought were unachievable, the version of yourself that has been beckoning you has arrived. God has been preparing you for it, even in the moments where it felt like nothing was happening. And I believe that this message is here to remind you that the next chapter of your life requires a deeper level of trust, not panic, not force, not overthinking, just pure faith. Because God is not just changing your circumstances, He is changing your capacity. He is building the version of you who can carry what you have been praying for. And maybe you have felt that lately, a shift in your spirit, a quiet knowing that you are not meant to keep living the same cycles and patterns again and again, a sense that something new is coming, even if you can't fully explain it yet. That is not random. That is preparation. Sometimes God starts moving inside of you before anything changes around you. He gives you a new desire, a new conviction, a new hunger for peace, clarity, purpose, discipline, healing, and alignment. And then suddenly, the old things do not feel the same anymore. The old habits feel heavier. Sin is no longer enticing, and the old distractions get quieter. The old version of you does not fit into the future God is calling you to. Not because you failed, but because you are growing. And this is where so many people miss this moment. They ask God for a new season, but then they try to enter it with the same identity, the same fears, the same patterns, and the same level of trust. When God is elevating you, He does not just give you more, He develops you into more. He teaches you how to hear Him. He teaches you how to move. When the instruction is small, He teaches you how to trust the nudge before you have the whole plan. Because your next level will require faith that can move before everything is obvious. So if this found you, I want you to ask yourself, what has God been gently confirming to you? What keeps coming back to your spirit? What desire keeps growing stronger and stronger? What future version of you feels closer than ever? What are you being invited to step into now? Because this is not about fear. This is about alignment. This is about becoming available for the life God has been preparing you for. And I want you to hear this clearly. You are not behind. You are being built. You are not starting over. You are stepping deeper into who you were always becoming. God has not forgotten the dreams He placed inside of you. He has not ignored your prayers. He has not missed the work that you have done in private. But now He is asking you to participate in your becoming, to stop second guessing every nudge, to stop dismissing your discernment, to stop waiting until you feel perfectly ready before you move, because sometimes readiness doesn't come before obedience. Sometimes readiness is built through obedience. And the more you practice listening, trusting, and responding, the more confident you become in the way that God speaks to you. That is exactly why I created the Divine Alignment Manifestation Ritual. This ritual is about coherence because you cannot create the life that you want from force. It is about becoming who you're meant to be with clarity, confidence, and structure. So if you know God has been calling you into a deeper season of clarity, purpose, and spiritual growth, the link below is in the description. So begin there. Start with that ritual. Let this be the season where you stop second guessing what God has been showing you, because this message did not find you by accident. It found you because you are finally ready to hear it. You are being guided and you are being prepared. And the version of you who can carry the next chapter is already being formed. So move forward with God. Trust the nudge. The next version of your life is closer than you think. If this was helpful or resonated, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, follow for more. I put out new videos almost every single day to help you on your journey, and share this with others to spread the blessings. I'll leave it at that. I love you so much, but remember, God loves you more, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.